I loved your comments so much, so much. I went looking for some of my old films because remember, I've been doing this a long, long time. So these people were stuck in the central reservation. The car was there, but the people, I could see they were terrified. So, Reggie to the rescue. I again used the truck to block the road. I shut that other lane down, so I wanted the two middle lanes. And basically, have you got your bag? Have you got your phone? Come on, I'll cross your road, right? So, because I've got the big and the size, these people look. So I guided them across the road. Have you got your phone? Have you got your bag? Okay. Right, bring them to safety because they were in the middle of the central reservation. They looked terrified. Yeah. It was 7 years ago. Blimey, blimey. I've been, yeah. Is that 2016? Yeah. Wow. So these, I think this was an old couple, this was. So again, look, I've spragged myself across the road. And no one comes and helps you. No one says, oh, it looks like that bloke's going to push that car, we'll give him a hand. These people stayed in there as well. I think this was an old couple as well. So I said, stop there, I'll push you out the way. So here I am, look. Yeah, I was a bit younger and a bit stronger then. So I've pushed them out the way as well. If I remember right, it was like a bank holiday weekend and I was on my way back. So here I am again. It looks like maybe there's help coming up the other side. But this guy, again, stuck on the motorway, shoved him out the way, sent him on his way. Yeah. Again, that was 2015. Yeah. So here I am, look, having a bit of a rant, this one. All these people that were here, nobody sort of did anything, stopped and asked him, or mainly, I think I pushed him because I could push him, but just get him out the car, just get them out of the car, help them cross the road, block the road. So I was in mind of get the person out the damn car, get them to the side of the road, use the size of the truck. But when I went to him and approached him and, you know, could see that his tyres were up. If your tyres are up, you can just shove him to one side, can't you? So here's another incident that we caught on the camera. Look at this little dog. I don't know why I'm sitting in the cab whistling at him, but I'm watching him, I'm thinking, oh dear, little dog on the motorway, oh, what can you do? So anyway, nothing you can do, you can just move on. I'm keeping an eye, I'm watching him. And look, watch. He begins to run this way. There we are. I see him in the mirror, he's running this way. He turned around, so I decide to just go slowly behind him. Just, you know, just to stop anyone from, so I decided to just stay behind him and follow him, and hopefully he goes left and goes back to where he comes from. So we just slowly, and as I recall, there was another truck came down the side of me then, and we blocked 2 lanes until the poor dog couldn't run anymore and ran back in the bushes. As you can see, I've put a screenshot in. I've got 4.9 thousand videos, so only I would know what they are, only I would know where they might be, and only I would know how I've spelt them, because my spelling is terrible. What I would have said, because I'm slowly beginning to learn to entitle my videos a little bit better, and Debbie says, you don't spell it that way, you idiot. So if there's any correct spelling going on, that's because Debbie has corrected me. So yeah, there's if have you noticed, I've got 4,900 videos and still haven't got to 1,000 subscribers, but you know, we're getting there slowly but surely. So I thought I would make whilst I'm here looking for videos, where the dash cam has come in so handy. This is a biker with a death wish. Look how close this was. In the dark, double white lines, watch. Ooh, how close was that? My legs are shaking just thinking about it. The dash cam sees everything, doesn't it? So watch this, Thank goodness for dash cams. Look at this. He's got ape hangers, so look, he's got, he comes between us on a dual carriageway. Right, you watching? Are you ready? Watch this. If he'd gone under the wheels, thank goodness for dash cams. So here's another one. I had this a long time, this Scania. I remember the chip on the screen. So here we are. I'm going across the road here. So I'm coming out of here, a bit of a naughty lay-by to get out of. I don't know if I'd check my maps or I'd stop there overnight or whatever. So the truck has flashed me out. He's going left, but he's flashed me out. So he's helping me come out of that lay-by. And watch. Oh! Naughty. Dash cams are amazing. Another interesting one. I'll leave you with the original commentary.
So anyway, 7.5 ton limit there. Look, I'm looking for this garden centre place. I'm going along, and my sat nav and my phone and everything is telling me to turn right here. All my guidance is telling me to turn right. It's a nice 2 lanes entrance. You turn, as soon as you've turned, you have that sort of feeling. Oh shit, what have I done? What have I done? Oh, I've turned right. Remember, I'm in an Arctic.
Yeah.
What the hell?
Luckily,
I'm going to get out of this.
Yeah, luckily there was a farm for me to turn around.
You know when you turn right and you go, oh shit.
Oh,
what am I going to do now?
What am I going to do now? I've committed to it.
Well, that's my moment.
Yeah.
Of turning right and going,
oh shit.